another video. I am doing a book review. All my book reviews recently have been only fiction. Today I am changing that and I am making a non-fiction book review about a biography on who was Gandhi. So it is written by Dana Meechan Rao and was illustrated by Jerry Hoare. So this book is about Mahatma Gandhi. Let me start. So Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. At the age of 13, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was married to a girl called Kasturbai. At the age of 18, he decided to go to London to study law. In London, he didn't like it because all the vegetarian food that was there, it was tasting very bland without the spices of India. So then when he returned from London, he was not treated well in India. He had to go in the Ganges to be accepted back to the India. Then he got a call from South Africa that they needed an Indian lawyer. So he went to South Africa. In South Africa, instead of staying for 1 year, he stayed for 20 years. So while he was in South Africa, he made something called Satyagraha. Satyagraha means truth force. He used it in South Africa to fight for the justice of the Indian community. So then when he came back to India after 20 years, he was called a Mahatma. Mahatma means great soul. He was called Mahatma Gandhi. Then he started a Satyagraha ashram in Ahmedabad, where he started it in Ahmedabad. He started knitting his own. He started making his own string to make his own clothes. Then after a few years, he went on a long walk to Dandi. While he started off with many people, while he was going to Dandi, he got many other people joined him, and when he reached Dandi, he picked up and kneeled down and took salt out of the ground in front of the British. The British didn't allow Indians to make or collect their own salt. So then what Gandhi did motivated all the Indians to pick up and sell their own salt. So this started the salt movement. He fought a lot for Indian freedom. So he did many fasts. He went to jail a lot, but he did all this non-violently. So he didn't attack or anything like that. He just used other ways for Indian freedom. When he was close to 80 years old, he was shot dead. I like Gandhi because he gives us holidays on 2nd October and he's on our Indian note, and because he's the father of the Indian nation. I rate this book 5 out of 5. I have made a artwork for a tribute of Mahatma Gandhi. So don't close the video now, watch to the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash the like button. Bye. As for a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, I have created a 3D illusion artwork. I'm going to show you the artwork now. So on this side there is Mahatma Gandhi, and on this side I've written Ahimsa in Hindi. Ahimsa means you should respect all living things and cause no harm. Thank you.